you just have to put the values in the formula. In order to find out, you just first have to calculate n by 2, right? तो हमारा Vini, come on, let's go. Class लो. But मैं can't help explaining वो. ना मुझे तो होता ही हूँ. It's a come. I'm not Ireland. Radhya, look, there's someone's bag here. Did someone really forget it here, or is it trying to become the part of the campus secret? Oh, if it's staying rent, then we should leave. Do you think we should take it to Lost and Found? I don't want to be emotionally attached to a bag I just met. At all, so it's not claiming responsibility here. Responsibility is scary.
I saw it. Could it be?
It is heavier than it looks.
Same energy as Monday morning.
Do you think it has books?
Or maybe laptop. Or maybe something that we will never expect.
Except the snacks, obviously.
Don't you think that's too much asking from a bag?
Imagine the honors earning body panic. The calm, scary, screamy, all per a bag. That's terrifying, this specific. Because I have imagined it. Not sure to be proud or terrified. Then we become the bag thieves that no one for remember.
Oh wait, there's a name tag.
Oh great, now we are invested.
Abhinav Singhal.
Well, that makes it half of the campus.
Or one very stressed person. What do you think they study?
Emotionally judging, suffering.
It could be engineering, law, medicine.
Or all three, judging by the weight of the bag.
Should we try to find him?
Or should we become the heroes of our fate and keep walking?
Walking is easier. Honestly, why does carrying a bag feel like the moral equivalent of fighting a war?
Because humans can be anything.
And here we are, overthinking a bag.
Classic us. What if somebody finds us suspicious? Oh no, that's not a plot twist I signed up for. Yeah, we look suspicious. You look suspicious. Thank you. We should put it back where we found it. Too simple. He's like cheating later. He's like sanity. Sanity wets. Think about it. We picked it up, and now we're gonna put it back. They're gonna look like moral vigilantes. Part-time heroes, but full-time overthinkers. Yes. What if this bag is cursed? Then we adopted bad luck.
I can live with it if it has snacks.
Snacks is a curse. Mitigation strategy. Makes sense. What if it has an embarrassing diary inside?
Then we are just emotionally blackmailing ourselves.
Potentially critic.
Or maybe testing us.
With patience and heavy lifting?
Mostly patience.
That is the weirdest morale tale I've ever been in.
Congratulations, you're growing up.
Really.
Okay, reality.
Yeah.
Actually, the bag does not need a. You know what? Moral victory by inactivity.
Shall we return it?
Yes, and leave quickly before somebody else notices our adventure.
Agree. Bag, you may live a better life than ours. There, rest in peace. Be your honor, be punctual. And your contents can have it. We did our civic duty mostly. Emphasize on mostly. Same time tomorrow if another bag calls us? Absolutely. But if the snacks are involved.